Welcome to Sherpas, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing taking advantage of public position as one of the aggravating circumstances. Taking advantage of public position. It is an aggravating circumstance wherein the offender took advantage of his being a public officer or employee in the commission of the crime. Basically, ang nakakagawa nito ay opisyal o empleyado ng gobyerno. Ginamit nila ang kanilang posisyon para gawin yung krimen. Bakit ito considered aggravating? Ano ang basis? The basis of the aggravating circumstance of taking advantage of public position is the greater perversity of the offender. Sa madaling sabi, ito ay nagpapakita na ang isang tao ay kumikilos ng may mas malalim na kasamaan, kalupitan o kawalan ng konsensya kaysa sa karaniwan. Kailan tinuturing na ang isang pagkakasala ay naganap na may kaugnayan sa tungkulin? An offense may be considered as committed in relation to office if it cannot coexist without the office, or if the office is a constituent element of the crime as defined in the statute, such as for instance, the crimes defined and punished in the Revised Penal Code, Chapter 2 to 6, Title 7. Example nito ay yung bribery. For this circumstance to be appreciated as aggravating, the public official must use his influence, prestige, and ascendancy which his office gives him in realizing his purpose. The essence of the matter is presented in the inquiry, did the accused abuse his office to commit the crime? Kung ang sagot dito ay no, then this aggravating circumstance is not applicable. Example, may final na replevin case kay Aga at kinuha yung sasakyan niya. Ang replevin case ay isang civil case na sinasampa upang mabawi o maibalik ang isang bagay o ari-arian na nasa legal na paghahawak ng ibang tao. Nanalo ngayon si Aga, so necessarily, ibabalik na yung sasakyan sa kanya. Tinanong niya ngayon si Peralta, ang sheriff, at si De Guzman, clerk of court, kung paano maibabalik sa kanya ang sasakyan. Ang sagot ng dalawa, kailangan niya daw magbayad ng 5,000 as professional fee para maibalik sa kanya yung sasakyan. Pinuntahan ngayon nila yung bahay nung kumuha ng sasakyan. Ang unang pumunta yung dalawa. Pagbalik nila, hinikayat nila si Aga na ibigay na lamang sa kanila ang pera at nangako silang sila na ang bahala sa lahat. Unknown to them, an NBI entrapment operation was in place. When they received the marked money, both were arrested. Dito sa scenario na to, present ba yung aggravating circumstance na taking advantage of public position? Ang sagot ay oo. The Supreme Court in this case appreciated aggravating circumstance of taking advantage of public position under Article 14, Paragraph 1 of the Revised Penal Code. Peralta and De Guzman's positions as sheriff and as clerk of court, respectively, placed them in a situation to perpetrate the offense. Verily, it was on account of their authority that Aga believed they could facilitate the expedient recovery of his vehicle unless they were given the professional fee. Take note, even if defendant did not abuse his office, if it is proven that he has failed in his duties as such public officer, this circumstance would warrant the aggravation of his penalty. Ito naman yung wala siyang ginawa. Basically, hindi niya inabuse yung office niya, pero dahil wala siyang ginawa, nag-fail ngayon siya sa duty niya as public officer. There is no abuse of public position when the offender could have perpetrated the crime even without occupying his position. Example, kung ang isang pulis ay pumatay ng ibang tao, hindi maituturing na aggravating circumstance ang pagsasamantala sa kanyang katungkulan bilang isang opisyal, sapagkat maaari naman siyang pumatay kahit hindi siya pulis. Kailan naman hindi kinukonsider itong aggravating circumstance na ito? The following are crimes where the aggravating circumstance of taking advantage of public position is not appreciated. First, malversation. And second, falsification of document committed by a public official. Here, the aggravating circumstance is inherent, meaning nagagawa talaga yung mga crime na yan dahil inabuso nila ang kanilang posisyon. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.